In the ever-evolving world of aviation, mini aircraft are making a huge impact in 2024. These compact yet powerful machines are transforming how we fly, offering versatility, innovation, and excitement. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 mini aircraft that are pushing the boundaries of aviation technology. 1. Icon A5. The Icon A5 stands out as an amphibious light sport aircraft designed for adventure. Powered by a Rotax 912 engine with 100 horsepower, it can reach speeds up to 109 miles per hour. The A5 can land on both water and land, making it versatile for any terrain. Its foldable wings make storage easy, and the integrated parachute system adds safety, ensuring an exhilarating and secure flying experience. 2. Cirrus Vision Jet SF50. The Cirrus Vision Jet SF50 redefines luxury in personal aviation. Powered by a Williams FJ33 engine, this single-engine jet cruises at 345 miles per hour. Its unique V-tail design and panoramic windows offer a luxurious flight. The Vision Jet also features the Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, CAPS, making safety a priority while providing a private jet experience at a lower operating cost. 3. Airbus Helicopters H125. The Airbus H125 is known for its reliability and adaptability. Powered by a Turbomeca Aerial 2D engine, it can reach speeds of 140 miles per hour and perform in extreme conditions. From search and rescue operations to corporate transport, the H125 is versatile and powerful, making it a top choice for demanding missions in tough environments. 4. Tecnam P06T. The Tecnam P06T is a twin-engine aircraft ideal for training and light transport. With 2 Rotax 912 engines, it offers a cruising speed of 150 miles per hour and a range of 800 miles. Its fuel efficiency, easy handling, and modern avionics make it a popular option for flight schools and private owners. 5. Van's RV10. The Van's RV10 is the ultimate kit plane for aviation enthusiasts. Powered by a Lycoming IO 540 engine, the RV10 reaches speeds of 200 miles per hour, with a range of over 1,000 miles. Its 4-seater design makes it ideal for cross-country trips, and its sturdy build ensures a safe, smooth flying experience. These top 5 mini aircraft are redefining aviation, offering cutting-edge technology, versatility, and adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights.